Okay, we have a 2021 Vauxhall Mokka with a push button start, and this is how to switch off the service light or service reminder, which we've got the spanner just down in the corner here. It's quite easy to do, no tools needed. You will need the end of the indicator stalk and the start button, and that should be it. And then you just need to keep an eye on what's going on in this corner up on here. So we turn the ignition off by pushing the button. Keep the feet off the pedals, and what you need to do is push and hold the indicator stalk with one hand, and then push and hold the button for the push button start without touching pedals to turn the ignition on, and then watch in the corner over here. You'll see the counter countdown. Okay, so pushing the button and pushing the ignition, and you see it count down from 10 all the way down to 0. And then that's it, all done. Release the button, ignition off, foot on the clutch, start the car, and you'll see the spanner has disappeared from the bottom left hand corner, and we're all clear. Hope that helps.